Hello, and welcome to this informational video discussing important installation tips and tricks when installing Metroflor Genesis and Inception floating floors. It is always recommended that you review the respective installation guide before the project begins. Proper preparation of the substrate is always important. Floating floors should be installed over substrates which have been properly checked and prepared. Substrates need to be clean, smooth, flat, dry, and structurally sound. Metroflor products are easy to install when using the proper tools and equipment. Hammers. Suitable soft face hammers are used to engage the edges of the interlocking material. Hammers should be appropriately sized and be constructed with a striking face that is reasonably soft and not damaging to the surface of the material. The long edges of the plank should be engaged at a 30-degree angle while rotating the material downward into place. Any remaining openings should be addressed before proceeding using a hammer and tapping block. Position the tapping block on the surface of the flooring with the tapping block in contact with the uppermost edge of the profile. Once the long edges of the planks are complete, the short sides can be engaged using the soft-faced hammer. The joints should be set using light hits, no harder than necessary. Excess force may cause damage to the face of the material or the locking profiles. For more information or complete instructions, please visit www.metroflor.com.